Hey guys, Feroz Moto here, back in another video. Here we have a speed yellow NC2 Miata. It's a special edition painted color. Here with the owner, Angelo. He's gonna give me a ride along inside of it. This guy is a hoot. Definitely goes around with these Indy Firestone 500 tires. But with the right driver and everything on the wheel, it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna hop in and see how it is. This is the last run of the day. It's been a good time. Maybe not for me specifically, but getting some stem with all these other cars and experiencing what's out there, it's been a blast. So super grateful for the opportunity, and we'll hop in once we're out on the road. All right guys, we are about to go out and give it hell. We are inside of the NC now. This is NC2 or NC3?
NC2.
NC2 Miata. Is there any differences with the motor? I think NC3
the motor should be the same as 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
So should be a nice feeling car. This guy, I think they're, whoop. All right, now let's descend it. Let's go, baby. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what Angelo can do. Wheeling this monster. Yeah. And maybe it was just my line. Okay. Yeah, I like taking it wide and cutting in. Helps me line up for the exit. So yeah, I was doing the same. Just kind of plowing it back to the grips.
Actually, I think the passenger wasn't doing that before. Maybe the passenger was saving that time for voice after.
Oh yeah, you're right, extra weight. Yeah, the rotation was so nice. Hell yeah! Too much fun, too much fun. Ugh. Oh yeah. Poof. Yeah. We're losing them. I'll lean this way, no. Hey, I see green on the Delta. Just a rough track, man. It's friendly to nothing. You good? What did you smack? This?
My steering wheel.
Oh, okay. It's a pretty good angle, man. Oh. Yeah, downhill braking is not our friend. Yeah, nice work. Yeah, when I was braking on his, I heard a thunk. I don't know if that was the ABS kicking in.
It's doing that sometimes.
Yeah, it was really weird. I started braking smoother and it stopped, but maybe it's just too much grip. Or it's like skipping on itself. Holy moly. Does that 3 mean 3 laps or that's it?
That's it.
Yeah. You know what that means?
He can have left. My car.
The yellow one.
That was fun.
Yeah, dude. I got it on video too. It's gonna be great. Whew. A violent whip, but it was fine. Kept it on track. I mean, these cars are just so flat. With the right driver and everything, they are dangerously quick around these tracks. Just help rotate right out of the corner, use all the torque and power you need to get through the rev band, and you're having a great time. So that's about it. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and I'll catch you all in the next video. Feroz Moto, out.